Hi, I'm Johnny with OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about minimalist designs for your candle labels. Now more than ever, users are engaging with simple and clean designs, and that's especially true for product labels. One area where simple design is becoming more and more popular is with handmade candle labels. In this video, we'll go over 3 reasons why you should use minimalistic designs in your candle labels. You've probably noticed some big name brands ditching an overly detailed look in favor of cleaner, more simple designs. If you're just starting your candle business and want to design your own logo and label, or looking to rebrand, this trend will make the design process a lot easier for you. You don't have to be overly creative or artistic to create a great label for your candle. Many businesses utilize a very simple packaging design, but use fonts and typography to set it apart from the rest. So play around with different fonts to see which one best represents the look and feel you want for your candle company. You can even play around with multiple fonts to create more visual interest and see what works well together. Another staple of great design is using plenty of white space. This makes the design job even easier, considering white space is just the untouched area in between design elements. If you're ready to start designing your label, our design software, Maestro Label Designer, is a great place to start, with hundreds of free, pre-designed templates to get you started. If you're printing your labels at home, adopting a minimalist design can also save you money in the long run. Including only the basic information of your product on an all-white label like your logo, candle scent, and warnings will save you a lot of money on printer ink and toner, which can get pretty expensive. If your brand style requires a pop of color, try including it in your text instead of designing the background of the label in color. Not to mention, you'll save a ton on graphic design fees if you choose to design your own labels. Within the first few seconds of seeing your product on the shelf or online, consumers have likely already decided whether or not they're interested in your product. So don't underestimate the power of a simple design. Regardless of what look and feel you're going for with your candle labels, a minimalist design can convey important information without distractions, while also telling your potential customer in just those few seconds what your brand is all about. Minimalistic labels tell your story clearly and efficiently. If you go with a minimalistic candle label design, rest assured that it'll capture your brand's personality, all while saving you time and money. For more candle label content, or to check out all of our candle label products, be sure to check out the links in the description below.